When I grew up and fell in love, I asked my lover what lies ahead. Will we happy both day after day? That's what my lover said. Que sera, what people will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera. Children of my own, they ask their father, what will I be? Will I be handsome? Will I be rich? I tell them tenderly. Que sera, whatever will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera.